What up guys, GT3 here, back at it again with another video, and today you've read the title. I'll be sharing with you guys my awesome JDM exotic car haul right here. Oh man, what? Check this out. Here is an overview, and as I look at the cars, show them to you guys, I'll share my little story as to how I got them. But before I get to that, I'm sure a lot of you guys are particularly interested in I'm not sure what is in the thumbnail yet, but I'm sure you guys are interested in this Nissan GTR right here. It does have some rusted axles. I'm not gonna ignore that, of course, but other than the rusted axles, it's pretty mint. Body paint all black, maybe some rubs right there, maybe some slight paint bubbles, or as per usual, almost like as cars. But here's the Nissan R35. Oh, sexy looking thing. And a Enzo Ferrari. Oh man, if this was mint, I've checked eBay, Amazon, it can go for $300. It's what? Like, it's insane. But it's not mint. But who knows how much this is worth, how much someone is willing to pay for it, I don't know. But whatever it is, I'm still happy to have the actual, the car in my collection, the gold Enzo Ferrari. So check that out. So those were like the two holy grails, the two nicest find in my collection. So let me go ahead and share with you guys what were the other cars I found. But let me show you guys how I got this. So yes, I saw a listing on Carousel. I'm sure Singaporean collectors, you've all seen the listing of this guy listing all of these cars. And the thing is, I was interested, of course. I asked him how much it was, and the thing is, it was going for less than retail price. So to put that into perspective, in USA, a Hot Wheels car cost $1 US. Here in Singapore, it costs 4 Singapore dollars. Well, I got all of these for less than 4 Singapore dollars each. Around there. I mean, some of these cars, for example, the Civic machines, they're much more expensive and whatnot, but for the most part, less than retail price. It's absolutely insane. Alright, so the thing is, of course, it wasn't easy getting these cars. When I first offered, I actually tried to negotiate whether I could get it for a cheaper price. But this is when the shocking thing came in. He told me that I couldn't negotiate the price because there were 23. Let me repeat that, 23 other people who were interested in these cars. So I was like, whoa, like no, I can't let this good deal slip out of my hands. So I told him, you know what, I got a cash, I can meet up with him today, and I'm gonna take care of the cars. He was particularly keen in like letting this go to someone else who was going to take care of the cars. And call me cocky, whatever guys, but I'm a good candidate. I take care of my cars. I'm not a scalper. I don't know about the other 23 people, whether they're willing to, like, they're gonna resell off the cars and whatnot. I have no idea how this would all turn out. Yeah, by the way, I'm showing my collection for those who are new to my channel. But now these cars, they're not gonna get scalped, they're not gonna get resold for a higher price. They're in my hands right now. To be honest, I might resell, for example, some cars right here. There are some duplicates, I have to admit that. For example, these two Lamborghinis right here, they are duplicates, obviously, and I will have to sell one off. But other than that, I'm gonna keep most of it. I'm not gonna scalp it. I'm gonna sell it for around the same price I got them for. So yeah, don't worry if there's not scalper. But although there's probably people gonna dislike this video, people from the the same people who roasted me for the Datsun. Look at those dislike, boys. Oh man. Hey, can you guys give this video a like? I greatly appreciate it. And if you gave this video a like, please put hashtag, I don't know, hashtag good haul drifter. Yeah, I appreciate it. If you gave this video a thumbs up, put hashtag good haul drifter, and I'll put a heart in your comment. Thanks so much. So anyways, back to the story. 20 other people were interested in these cars, and today I decided to meet up with him. But the thing is though, we were agreed to meet at a particular time, but just as I was about to reach the location, he backed out and he said, oh, he's gonna be late and he's gonna have to meet me later on. So at first I was like, damn, like salty, but I didn't want to upset him, you know. I didn't want to say things like, hey, come on bro, like you agreed to meet me at this particular time. Why did you back out on me? If I upset him, I'm afraid he might get angry and then he'll give this these cars to someone else. So I just stay calm. I'm like, alright bro, I understand, maybe you're busy with work or whatnot, I don't know. But I was like, okay, I can meet you at a later time. And thankfully, shout out to my big bro, man. My brother Brielle, he decided to drive me to the location instead of taking the train. He was my big brother. He drove me to the location for me to pick up the cars. So I meet up at this block, at his house there, at the void deck. So I talked to him a little bit, like why did he quit collecting Hot Wheels. He said he's gonna start collecting like 1 to 6 scale action figures and whatnot. And yeah, he just wanted to let these cars go to someone who will take care of them. in this case, which is me. So yeah, check this out. So far, I'm not sure if I think most of the cars here are mostly recognizable. So yeah, but that's basically the story of how I attained these cars. I'm really happy to have them to my collection. I'm definitely gonna take care of these cars, and it's really really cool. And the funny little story is, I actually dealt with this guy like 4 years ago. I remember him, but I don't think he remembered me. Maybe because I look more handsome now. Just kidding. Oh, I bet some of you cringed when I said that. But I think maybe because I look different now, he didn't recognize me. But I actually sold these two trucks to him. This Subaru right here, and the green and orange Reventon right here last time. Yeah, these 5 castings to him last time for I think $22. And I'm actually getting more than my money back that I'm buying it from him. So yeah, I guess it's interesting. He didn't remember me, but hey, it's alright. I guess it's really weird that I sold these castings to him 4 years ago and now I'm getting back. And I don't know why, but I sold this Subaru to him. I'm a Subaru fanboy, believe it or not, guys. I love Subarus too, but I don't know why the hell I sold this to him. I think because it has a plastic base and a metal body. Yeah, this is some plastic base. I have no idea why. So maybe that's why I sold it back then. But hey, I'm happy to have it back in my collection. Very cool. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much the story. I'm just happy to have this in my collection. I think that's like the second time I'm saying that. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these cars right here. So far I've shown you guys like some Porsche and some Lamborghinis right here. Ferrari California T, if I'm not mistaken, or Ferrari California. The next is not a Hot Wheels, it's a Sesto Lamborghini Aventador. Check this out. And sorry if like my microphone, for those wearing headphones, sometimes it's on the left side, sometimes on the right side, the audio. That's because I'm moving around. Yeah, I do apologize, I'm trying my best. Maybe I should buy a microphone, huh, guys? For my fellow drifter gang. Yeah, let's check that out. The next is a Honda Civic Si, and I love this one. This is one of my favorites because it has front, rear light tempos, nice wheels. I like the 10-spoke wheels, although they're a bit rubbed out. I don't mind black wheels, and the Honda Civic Si casting in general is pretty cool from Hot Wheels. Check that out. Then I think one of the holy grails too, alongside the speed machines in this case, is this Audi R8. I've saw a listing just now a few minutes ago on Amazon, and it's going for $60–70. I don't know if it's true. I can't find any sold listings, but I'm not surprised. Hot Wheels collectors nowadays are willing to pay crazy amounts of money for Datsuns and exotic cars, so I won't be surprised if they're gonna pay that much money for that car right there. So anyways, check this out, Subaru right here. I already have this in my collection, so this is another duplicate. I might sell that off too. Then we have the Assault. It's not a real car. I'm surprised that he collects mostly JDM cars and exotic cars, but he have this in his collection. It resembles almost like a Honda Civic Si, like the one I held just now, so I guess he kind of liked the car. I do like the Assault too. I have another variation of this car in my collection, the green one, so this yellow one will greatly complement that car so that it's not lonely, you know what I'm saying. Then we have the Lotus Evora. Oh man, I love this green and yellow. I've always wanted this, but this went for like $8 to $10 on carousel, and I didn't really get to buying it. But now that I have it, looks like I don't need to worry about it anymore. Then we have the Mazda RX-7. Oh no, I mean the 24/7. In this nice green and black color. Check this out. I love this casting, man. The 24/7. Check this out. Plastic front lights. Then we have the Dog de Muro. Well, actually not Dog de Muro, but basically it's the Aston Martin V8 Vantage in this pearl white color. Front and rear light tempos, the way I like it. Check it out. Then a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, and the thing is, there are 2 of them here, so same thing, I might sell both of them, and that's because I already have this in my collection, but maybe I'll keep one as an extra. Who knows, maybe this car will skyrocket in the future, just like the Bugatti Veyron. It is an exotic car after all, but check this out, this white matte paint and green wheels. And, oh, look at this. For y'all JDM fanboys, the Nissan 2000, is it the GTX? Nope, of course, not yet. The name is not on the base of the car. But check this out, it has rear light tempos. I didn't know it has rear light tempos because I've only seen pictures of it online sideways, so I didn't really know it has rear light tempos. So that's cool. I like this car a little bit more now that it has rear light tempos. Check that out. And let's go ahead and take a look at the carded cars right here. I have 2 of these Sesto Elemento, which I think you guys already expected. I already have this in my collection, so I might sell this off or trade this away. Check that out. Another one right here, but with the blue color from 2016 or 2017. Does have some tear right here, but yeah, The car is mint inside the package. And another Audi R8. And despite it being very similar to the black one that I held just now, they're not actually similar. This one has sparkly paint. This one just like a normal metallic paint. And they have different wheels. But this one goes for $20. $20? $60. $20? $60. Yeah, I don't know how Hot Wheels works, guys. It's crazy. Alright, so on to the last case. Right here, let's go ahead and take a look. We have a Toyota Supra from the Too Fast Too Furious. Check this out. Very nice. I love Supra. It's one of my favorite JDM cars. Check this out. Then we have, I think also one of my favorites in this haul right here is this Nissan Silvia. I do not have this in my collection, any variations of this casting, so it's really nice that I finally have this in my collection as a sample. Very nice red paint, matte black hood. Really cool. Gotta love that, man. Then a Nissan 350 or 370Z? 350Z. From the Tokyo Drift Fast and Furious Hot Wheels. The guy that the antagonist drove. And I've been wanting to get this car for a while, but I can't. People are selling it for like $15, 20 Singapore dollars. Yeah, too steep, but now that I got it once again. Happy to have this to my collection. Check this out. And another one of those 350Z, this time in yellow. I'm not quite sure from which year this is. I've never seen this before. This is the first time I've seen this. Like a lot of the cars here, or most of the cars here, I've seen them before, like images on Google or YouTube. But this one, I've never seen this before in particular. This might be rare. I don't know. So I might search up on this later on. Then we have Nissan R34. Check this out in black right here. And I guess this is like to complement the Then and Now series. Back when we had the Then and Now series. That's really nice. This is a nice pair of cars. Right here, check this out. Oh, I love this R34. Also one of my favorite JDM cars. And speaking of Nissans, we have this R33 right here, right? Nissan R33. The one that we just recently got from the Gran Turismo line in this gold champion color. And there's no real tempos unlike the other one, but hey, I like it nevertheless. Pretty cool. Check that out. Another one is the Lamborghini Gallardo. I also have this in my collection already, so I might trade this away, but check this out, pretty mint. And by the way, most of these cars are mint, except for just the Lamborghini, the gold Enzo, and maybe some of them have some chrome loss. But for the most part, the body paint is mint. He really took good care of these cars, and I can see why. I guess he doesn't want this to end up with a kid that will play with them, scratch them up, or a guy who will scalp this on carousel. Like, I don't know, once again, like the other 23 people, I don't know what they were planning to do with these cars, but yeah, I guess I'm honored, you could say, to be the owner of these cars now. I'm gonna take good care of them. I promise. I promise. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Also have this. Porsche are cool. Don't get me wrong. Porsche are cool cars. But all 911s looks the same. Yeah, you can't deny that. But they're cool cars. They're cool cars. Then BMW M3 in this red. This is nice. I kind of like the M series for Hot Wheels. So this is a great addition to my BMW collection, for my Hot Wheels collection. Another BMW for y'all. BMW. That's how it's actually pronounced in German. BMW. Right here. M4. Oh, this is the M4. Pretty cool. Very cool. Very swag. I like it. And then a Mitsubishi Evo Super Treasure. No, it's not Super Treasure. I wish it was though. Right here from back in 2015. Check this out. Really cool. I also have this in my collection already. So yeah, there are some duplicates right here that I might need to sell off. So yeah, and this last one right here from the Porsche series, the Porsche 918 Spider. Check these out. So let's have a look once again at all these cars. Oh man, really happy to have this in my collection. And for what they're worth, yeah, I'm just happy to have this in my collection. And for those who are from Singapore, stay tuned. Maybe I'm not gonna list it right away, or else people will think I'm a scalper, but I might have some of these up for sale. And if you're a friend of mine, I know who you guys, some of you guys, you're my friends, you're watching this video. If you want, you can DM me some of these. I might DM some of you, like some of the cars I might be willing to sell at a good price, the same price I bought them for. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. You've watched 14-minute videos. As you all know, I'm not really used to making long videos. So whoa, guys, if you watch all the way to the 14-minute mark, I know just now I asked you guys to comment something about the, even I can remember it, but if you did that, I want you to edit your comment and put hashtag holler. Guys, if you watch this whole video, thank you guys so much. But I'm not gonna take any more of your time. But anyways, that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys missed out my previous video, click on the top right or another random video on the bottom right. Don't forget to subscribe to both of my channels and hashtag Despacito, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.